Mid-century modern interior designing style has enduring popularity based on factors like it gives us clean lines, gentle organic curves, a love for different materials that never goes out of trend. This style is timeless and forever chic. Do you know why mid-mod is so much loved? Because it has features like it's practical and functional, durable, modern and timeless, minimal, traditional and classic, less restricting, easiest style to decorate in. Mid-mod interiors made popular in 1940s and 1960s. Ever since its steady comeback in the 80s, mid-century modern continues to influence house design. Consequently, homes are bolder, brighter and comfier than ever before. So let's see how you can achieve this style. Work on the color schemes as a foundation starting point because most color works in mid-century modern, but it should look rich and saturated. Neutrals are considered to be a base to highlight rest of your room. Bright hues to earthy colors like olive green, avocado green, mustard yellow, teal, maroon, pumpkin orange, turquoise and dark blue are some classic mid-mod colors, and if you love colors like light pink, blue and yellow, it can be also used as an accent. To get more idea how it works, keep watching. This is the classic mid-century color palette. Use of neutral like grey, brown and accent as a orange and teal. Next color palette is a dark neutral color palette where lot of wood is used and black and grey are considered as an accent colors. Next one is light neutral color schemes. It is all neutral, contemporary and so sophisticated, looks very beautiful. Color palettes that are having pop colors like orange and dark blue are given a subtle relaxing vibe by using neutral colors. Pretty pastels like blue, yellow, orange with a lot of wood are incorporated in this space. This style is not afraid to use patterns, therefore you can use geometrical, whimsical and abstract patterns in your space. Contemporary furniture pieces are added for broad appeal. Let's see some of its characteristics. Furnitures are open, light and airy with clean and simple lines. Edges are straight or smoothly curved. There is absolutely lack of ornamentation. Wood is particularly used. Practical and unique masterpieces are incorporated. You can have a pop color as well as neutral colors and popularly having tall legs. Let's look at some of the popular mid-century modern furniture pieces. Okay, talking about some tough materials for flooring, you can use wooden flooring, tile flooring in vivid and classic mid-mod colors. For ceiling, don't think too much. Go for a plain white or wooden ceiling in a very minimalist design. Walls can be battened, fabricated, or painted in various shapes and forms. It depends upon your designs. Brass metal is most trending, but you can also ornate gold and silver, but use only matte finish, not shiny. Jumping into soft materials, fabrics such as leather, linen, heavy wool, jute, sisal, and burlap are used. Rugs can create a great designing element. Shag, wool, and jute rugs are toughened and used beautifully. Telling you an interesting fact, mid-mod focuses on a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. So if you need some privacy, use simple roller shades and curtains in neutrals, vivid, or of course in some patterns. Classic mid-century modern lighting fixtures are bubble chandelier, Sputnik chandelier, metal finish lights, lanterns, balloon pendants, artichoke lamps, arco floor lamps, fiberglass lamps, tripod lamps, but choices are unlimited. You can easily incorporate some attention grabbing lighting fixtures in your space. Artwork are generally large scaled, having abstract or vintage paintings. Classic accessories can be bar cart, mirrors, sunburst, but the most important decorating element is, of course, indoor plants because mid century modern encourages open, functional, and sustainable floor plans. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want some more amazing content, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.